September 9th. I am feeling pretty rough right now. It is 5:23. I woke up this morning and checked the Cuddy Link cameras because I was on the edge about hunting this morning, but I had a really nice deer on camera all night last night. I'm gonna go in here and see if I can sneak in, get on him. I sound like crap. I feel like crap too, but part of it. So we'll see if I can sneak in here and get in the stand and get a morning sit in for a little bit. And I feel like he was in here a lot last night. A lot, that deer was. And he's a really nice, just mature 8-pointer. I hunted him hard last year. I actually connected with him and put a bad shot on him. Bad shot placement. And he got hit pretty good, but he made it through it. So here I am again now after him in the same location. Kind of around the same time. But he's been hit and miss this summer, and then here in the past 2 nights he's been there every night. And tonight he was in there twice, 2 different occasions. We got a full moon. I'm hoping to catch him, try and go back to bed. And if that happens, I believe I can connect with him this morning. So I'm gonna quit talking, get off here, and see if I can go ahead and get in the stand. Go ahead and head that way and get in the stand, get everything hung up, get ready for a good morning sit. If any luck, that sucker will pop by. We'll see. sure we just smoked a tom. I'm getting ready to climb down. Let's see where it's at. I think it's laying right there. It came in through here. I shot it there. It just kind of jumped around and went around. It laid down right there. I'm pretty sure he's down. If I kill it, that'd be my first tom of a bow. First tom of this year, because I had a mad spring turkey season. I'm pretty sure he's down right here. I'm gonna inch down here and see if I see him. Let's see. Well, that was freaking something. I got up here atop the hill in the field. Had a deer start to charge me. A deer literally charged me, a doe did. And I kind of stopped. I was like, oh crap. I kind of drew back. Took off. Walked down the hill. Sure enough, there lays my tom. He is a big tom. Look at the hooks on this sucker. He's got some hooks on him. That's a big tom right there. I had to put a follow-up shot on him. It's done right there. That right there is Thanksgiving, baby. It's my first fall tom, my first turkey. It's my first turkey in the fall. And that's my first turkey of a bow. Guess I'm gonna sneak on out of here and get this sucker cleaned up. Might have some deep fried turkey this weekend, I don't know. It's a big tom right there. He's a dandy. That's something. He flew off way up here. I walked down the hill, laying right there. I guess that's just my luck. I guess I'm gonna get on out of here though. I gotta walk now. So, get back to y'all when I get up and out of here.